this is today's look. I hope you like it. We went more with a coral, smoky, plum kind of combination. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JENIA BAKHSHI. Thank you for watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start with a primer, of course. I'm going to be using the Les Oetier Base Miracle Radiance. So next, so for foundation, I'm going to go in mix, actually 2 colors. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty in the shade 260. And I'm also going to mix it with my Makeup Forever HD stick in the shade 123. Next, I'm going to be using the Lancome Teint Idole foundation, and I'm going to use this as a concealer under my eyes to brighten everything up, because foundations are much lighter and I like to give it that light glow illusion. Next, contour. Smashbox contour palette. Going and mixing both of them at the same time and applying it right on where I want the crease to be. I like to give my face more of a rounder shape, so I'm just gonna go ahead and darken my under my chin a bit just to give it that rounder illusion. I feel like my face is very long to my liking. Okay, next I'm gonna use this. Actually, no. I'm gonna use a darker bronzer. I put it in the Hula container because it's shattered. You know it's gonna go everywhere. This keeps it nice intact. The bronzer is from Ringlight. It's a super dark bronzer. I don't know. It's very old, so I don't remember. Sorry. Just a very dark bronzer. Right over my contour. See how dark that is? And then I'm going to use the excess, whatever I had left on my brush, and I'm just going to put that everywhere to even my tones. So I'm going to use the blush, Subtle Blush by Lancome in the shade Bronze Flush 290. I'm going to use this very fluffy blush brush. I'm going to use Becca Cosmetics in Opal, and I'm going to use Fenty Beauty in Hustler Baby. This is the trick into looking glowy. You just gotta put it all over your face. Where the light goes, you know, you got some light here, you got some light here, you got some light there, you got some light here. Looks like you're sweating. That's so nice. And then you finish it off on the cheekbones. Then we go with the Becca highlighter. I'm gonna dab on the product, and then I'm gonna go right over, because this is a bit lighter. That's more of a the Rihanna one was more of a champagne tone. This is more of a cool rosy tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right over what we just put, but like really intensify the light that's like right there. Right, yes. I'm going to set this art with my setting spray. What it is, you may ask? It's a secret I'll never tell. Ooh, I think I broke it. Okay, moving on. So I'm gonna do my brow. Obviously, I'm going to be using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 4. You want to look good when you're upset, right? So you gotta look angry and then shape your brow so you look good when you're upset too. You know, you're like, hey, your brows, they look good. Good. So then I'm gonna use the Lemonade primer or color corrector for eyelid from Benefit. Now that you primed your brows, you're going to use, you should use, the Jaclyn Hill's makeup palette from Morphe. This is life. With my blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. And it's called the color Burns. Like Professor Burns from The Simpsons. And then we're gonna go ahead and take a brush like this where it grabs a lot of product and it puts it on your lids and it makes you regret grabbing so much product, but you're still gonna do it. So I'm gonna use this chocolatey brown shade in the color, it's called Chip, like chocolate chip, because it looks like chocolate. And I'm gonna go back with my blending brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that. And I'm gonna clean the excess. And then I'm just gonna blend the outer corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and brighten what's left from here to there. This champagne-y kind of color that I found here from Huda Beauty. This is the Coral Obsession palette, teeny tiny one. And yeah, we're gonna use that shade. I don't know what it's called, there's no name, but it's the one here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the blending brush and I'm gonna use the warmer sandy kind of shade here. I think it's like a camel color. And I'm gonna go over right there and right there. With that brush here, I'm gonna use that same shade right there. And I'm gonna go under the eyelid. Oh, there's some of that leftover Jaclyn chocolate shade with it, which is perfect. My blending brush. This Jaclyn Hill's shadow, it's called Ringlight. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. We're gonna go ahead and use an eyeliner. I'm just gonna use this Annabelle black eyeliner. And I'm just gonna go over it just at the bottom, like really close to my lashes, just to smoke it up a little bit because we're gonna put false lashes and we just want it to look full. For mascara, I'm using the Lancome Conzio's Bottom. So I'm using a product, but I'm using the Mr. Big spoolie. So as you guys know by now, I am using the Pin Up Lash by Benefit because they're pretty much the only lashes I really like. And I'm using the dual lash glue. And what I like to do is go ahead and fill this area. So onto the lips, the final step. I use patina and Stila. And I'm going to use Lancome's lipstick Mauvelle. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.